Hey, you want to go bowling? No, I don't want to go bowling. We could walk in the park though. Oh, so you want to do something for free? Ain't nothing free in this life free. If we walk in the park, we're still spending time with each other. And it can't be replaced, but money can. So is walking in the park really free? It's actually more of a free thing to spend money. Walking in the park is more meaningful. You say you want to get to know me, but you want to choose the date. You want to go bowling. You want to get to know me over bowling? See, the way I find it is that if you're trying to get to know somebody, the simplest type of outing is going to be the best way to get to know somebody because it's no distractions. I'm not worried about fitting my fingers in some 3 holes or whatever and rolling it down the floor. I'm getting to know you. And then after I get to know you a little bit, then we can go do a team playing activity.